Hello guys, it's Peter here, Peter Fissner guys. So mainboard came to those. So when it's turning on, it has a small, you see, small stuff going on, and guys, the backlight is on. You can see the backlight is on it. I think I was doing something with the second one. So yes, I was doing something, and it turns out that it might be a mainboard. That's why I ordered from eBay. Yes, mainboard, and we will see. I'll put first on the table, unscrew it, and let's test. Maybe, fingers crossed, will be a good TV, or if no, there will be more episodes about those two LG TVs, and then we will see what's causing the problem of no picture. Okay, be right back. Okay guys, so I'll record it on the video as well. My board has a blue mark here, okay, and no stickers at the back, as well 2 marks at the back. So I'll put my one on the side of here, and this has 2 stickers, 46 UK 6300 something, and then has these marks, yes, all like this. So this is the board from eBay. And let's mount it. Okay. So I'll only grab it on like 2 screws and connect all the connectors, and it's a no-go. This doesn't fit to the to that TV. So unfortunately, I need to put this one back together and get this off the table so we can test with the second TV. I thought I've got the same 2 models, but let's check if I was wrong, because it's a 43 UK. And here is 43 UK as well written on it. 6300, 6470. Why 6470? So it won't fit. I'll check eBay what I've ordered, because if I've ordered it wrongly, then it's no point. Okay guys, so it's written here on the eBay, okay, mainboard for LG 43 UK 6300 PLB, but as well it's written 43 UK 6470 PLC, and that's exactly what I have. I'll share the screen with you actually. Okay, so you can see that here this was for 43 UK. Yes, so I bought it for the right model. Okay, so I don't know why, but it doesn't work. Okay, so I've got no idea why. Well, anyway, I can just open the second one, the second TV, and I can see if that will work. If no, there is some more details which we need to learn about, because always when I've ordered for the proper model I had it right. Yes, only when there were revisions sometimes it was a bit different, but usually it wasn't a problem within the installation. Yes, so let's see. I'll just put it back together. I'll leave this with stickers here on this. I'll get this board, original one, and I'll try to fit it in now. I'll put screws back together, and let's check the second one. Are we wasting time sometimes when we're replacing the boards, or maybe, maybe it was sent by mistake. I don't know. let's check and see. Guys, so I've checked and the second TV is the same. I can't fit this mainboard to either or of those two I can't fit it to either or to those two TVs. So I'll remove that board and let's compare them to see, understand, you know, what are the differences. Okay guys, so if there will be any differences, you know, like which it's worth to show, I will make sure you will see it in detail. For now, yes, what I want to say is I'd like to see I would like to see them side by side, compare, because it's quite curious, you know, what are the differences. If not a lot, maybe I won't be returning it, but I will use some components from eBay to my one faulty one, okay? Which I see already that here is missing one coil. There is one coil here on this one, there is missing coil here, then here is looking the same. Well, we don't know exactly, but it's looking like the first impression. Connectors, so 1, 2, 3, 4 coils here, some either voltage regulator or something else. Optical, oh yeah, that's the alarm. So I've got 5 more minutes. So guys, what it's looking like is only the problem when it comes to these connectors. So okay, I'll have a wee look, okay, and I'll check. There's one more thing to tell you. So I did remove one of each sections, yes, I mean on this one, because that I can't fit this one to my one. So I did try to, you know, like remove one section, check for the fault, and on part were strips. Then I've checked, I put it back and I removed this one, yes, and it was the same strips, only on the second side. So the fault is, I would say, not on the display side, but on the mainboard side, yes, because of that. So that's why, you know, my assumption was good. But the question is, you know, what's wrong with this mainboard? So I was thinking that I can buy a new one, I mean the next one, and see if maybe, you know, I can see some short somewhere. But I mean, compare the components and so on. So I don't know at the moment. I will need to check it out, and if I will find it, okay, if I will find anything, I'll make it as a part 2 or part 3 now, because we were dealing with those LG TVs. So as you see, we can't always get the same board. Well, it's stating on eBay, as you've seen, the same model, but it doesn't fit. And now when I will look at the picture, yeah, I should see that on the picture there is no capacitor coil here. Okay, there is no coil here, whereas the coil is here. You can check it yourself. Okay. So it's missing. So I could check it out. It is what it is. We know that although the model fits, not always this fits. So please, if you will be doing it for yourself, check photos if photos are accurate, because if photos are not accurate, I wouldn't recommend to order it. As you've seen, these connectors are slightly off, okay, and although this board is like the same size, the connectors are wider and you can't fit them. Now the question is, if I would take cables from this, would they fit to this TV? I don't know, probably not, because it's a different number of those pins here. So I would say no. Guys, anyways, thank you for watching. I need to go for kids, and then I will come and I will compare these boards. If I'll find anything similar, then of course I will make another part for you so that you can watch it, and fingers crossed we can fix those two TVs. Thank you guys. Thank you to all those who liked, yes, likes to you, or subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.